Good day, good morning, Divergence traders. Today it was a much better day. I did have a one tick situation, but I held on and it hit the target. It hit the target, and that was right here. Came up, or no, it was this trade. It was this trade where I got out by the skin of my teeth right here. This was before the New York 8 a.m. Session started. I bought in here. Let me show you the divergence. Hidden divergence right there. And this one goes right here. Oh, I think it's right here. It's divergent, as you can see. And we got long right in there. Boom. And we hit our 20-point target. Then, after the market did open right here, okay, let me show you why I bought here. I'll tell you. I'll show you. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. Right here. Ding, ding. Right to the bottom of that wick pin bar. Okay? And from here to here. When it's very small on the right side of the divergence on the OSMA, it just screams at you and says, buy me, baby, buy me. And if you would have bought, you would have hit the target. So anyway, and I did one trade, or no, right here. This was the divergence trade, and I got out right there on the white triangle. Then I bought in again because I had a feeling it was going to go higher, but I didn't know for sure. Nobody knows until it happens, right? But everything led to the predicament of it's going to go higher, and it did. We hit our first target here. I did it again, or we hit our first target here. It's the gold arrows with the arrow, the gold triangles for buys, and the white triangle is where you exit. So it bought here, exited here. Bought here, exited here. And if I would have did it again, easily I could have got another 20. Maybe even another 40, but I didn't want to push it too much, considering yesterday how they fucking one-ticked me like, I don't know, more than 4 times. I showed you 4 times where they one-ticked me. I traded after that again and got more of my little, how would you say, McDonald's Happy Meal money back. I got it back. So, yeah, so that was it for today. And up we go. And now what's it doing up here? Well, it's stalling because it's the end of the move probably. Or at least for now anyway. Anyway, there's something I wanted to cover just in case some people have just began to listen to my videos. And I have a simple, very simple, stupid, silly mechanism that keeps me on the right side of the trade. Okay? And that is this little 5 EMA. It's white. It goes up. It's very close to the price. And there's a reason I want it like that. I don't want moving averages that are floating up here in, in outer space, you know, just like those astronauts that landed yesterday. Thank God they got back home. They were up there for almost 8 months on Mars. But anyway, so my little mechanism is when the 5, which is the white line, is above the 7, we can only do buy trades. And all the way up, it was right. Okay? And when, let me show you. When the 5 is below the 7, we can only do sell trades. Only sell trades, no buys. Buys will get you in trouble. Sell right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close right here, sell it, down it goes, down it goes, right? You know how many people were buying in here and here and here? Because they don't have my silly, stupid little mechanism, which is the 5 and the 7 EMA now. Now the 5 is just a regular EMA 5, okay, 5-day moving average, and the 7 has a little twist to it, okay? It's the 7 with displacement 1, okay? In other words, that's what gives us the proper gap in here that just screams at you, don't buy, don't buy, don't buy, don't buy until we cross back up. And there is divergence, a double bottom down here as well. Let me show you right here. So it's like a double whammy divergence to the upside. That's what it is. Right here. Boom. So you would have got long right in here. Let me show you that with the arrow right here. And that's not an arrow. That's a line. That's a line like this. No, we don't need that one. Wrong tool. Sorry. Here we go. The arrow. Here's the arrow. Boom. Would have bought in there, and it would have been a winning trade. Why? Why would have it been a winning trade? Because you were a buyer when the 5 was above the 7 EMA. And it went all the way up. Anywhere in here you would have bought, you would have been right. Okay? But as soon as it changes, you got to be careful on the turns, right? It trends only 20% of the time, the market, and 80% of the time it chops up and down. Today we had some serious trending, okay? All the way down here in the UK session, and now all the way back up again in the USA session. So it told you right here, right now, well, not right now, but it told you when the 5 is above the 7, don't be selling, man. Look for dips to buy, like a lower close right here. Buy it, up it goes. Lower close candle right here, buy it, up it goes. See what I'm saying? But remember, that's with the trend, okay? When it stops and starts chopping, you got to be very cautious then. It's probably the end of the move up for now. Maybe they'll take it back down here. I don't know. But anyway, I wanted to explain that to you, maybe new people who have come to watch what I do here and what I talk about. Just trust me, if you keep coming here, you'll learn how to do this, and it's not very hard, and more than likely 80% of the time you'll be on the right side of the trade if you follow what I just explained to you, okay? Okay, so let's go and grab that MetaTrader 4 now, and we'll finish the video. Just let me find it. Oh, right here. There it is. Oh, it's coming back up. That's good. That's XRP, baby. Okay, so here's the 5-minute NASDAQ. Was there divergence here? Yeah. Yeah, there was. Right here. I think it's a double bottom. Yeah, pretty damn close if you ask me. Double bottom, whatever. And remember when I told you on the right side of the OSMA, when it's very, very small compared to the left side, it's fucking screaming at you to buy it. Okay? Like this. Boom. I'm confused again with my aluminum trailings here in my brain. I'm so sorry about that. I don't mean to pause when I'm shooting this video. But anyway, there's the entry. There was the trade. It was a winner. It was a winner, ladies and gentlemen. And where would you put the stop loss when you're trading divergence? at the swing low, right there. Not a point higher, not a tick lower. Right there. Did it come back and hit your stop? No, sir. There's divergence up here also, okay? So once you sold it, you can only sell it because the 5 is below the 7, your stop would go at the swing high when you're selling. Did it come back to the swing high and stop you out? No, no, no. It kept coming down, down, down. Okay. That's the other part of this that I wanted to mention, that I wanted to share with you guys. If you're new here, I just wanted to share that with you so you understand what I trade. What I trade is higher highs, lower lows, double tops, double bottoms, and hidden divergence, which I call hard to see divergence because it's very hard to see it. See this one here? No, it's not this one. It was the other one. But anyway, those are the divergences I trade. Is easy to see bullish divergence, easy to see bearish divergence, and like I said, higher highs, lower lows, double tops, double bottoms, you name it, I trade it. And then I have my own original setups where when the 5 is above the 7, lower close candles, you want to buy it on the opening of the next candle, and most of the time after they have a lower closing candle, the next candle goes up, because all professional traders want to buy at a better price, so they wait for these little pullbacks to buy, and they work out really good. Like, look at this one on the way down last night. Okay, higher close, sell it, boom, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, boom, down it goes. Okay, I shared everything with you now, my whole way of trading. My scalp trades and my divergence trades, they're all here for you to absorb. And I hope you use it in your trading and you start making points today. I got to get some water here. Okay, so that was the NASDAQ and the S&P, which I was trading. Yeah, it's still going higher, eh, you buggers? Same trade. Look at this. It's the fucking same thing as the NASDAQ. See, NASDAQ, S&P. What about the Dow? Yeah, even the fucking Dow too. All three of them did the exact same fucking thing. Algo Jim had 3 cups of coffee today. He had one with the NASDAQ, he had a second cup at the S&P 500, and he had a third cup at the Dow. Right there. Okay? Yeah, I'm telling you, this market does not run on volume. It does not. It just fucking it wouldn't they wouldn't this wouldn't happen. 3 identical charts, 3 different instruments. Come on. Come on. I'm not even going to draw this one. There's no point. But look, see the little thing here? See the little thing there? See the little thing there? Right? Now let's look at this one. Look at this one. This one, right? Look at that. Same thing again. Same thing again, right there. See it? it's just so easy to see that. Come on. They're playing games with you guys. They're trying to trick you. But you got to know their tricks. Once you know their tricks, you're good. Okay. Let's move on now. Pound dollar. Here we go. What did the pound dollar give us today? Well, there's divergence right here. Lower lows. Like I told you, I look for lower lows and higher highs and double tops and double bottoms. So we'll call this a triple top. Okay. Boom, right there. Okay, so I gotta put the fucking arrows on it. I don't like putting the arrows, but I gotta put them on there. Come on. Come on now. There was the buy. There was the sell. Buy them and sell them. Sell them and buy them. See, we have higher highs here, right? But this big honking candle here at 8 o'clock, it caused this to be bigger on the right side than the left, and that's not divergent, ladies and gentlemen. And down here also, it's bigger on this side than on this side. There's no divergence, lower low divergence here to buy it. There's nothing there for that. Okay, euro. Oh, I don't like the euro. Of course, there was divergence way up here, higher highs, and down here like this. See, boom. Which gave you an early Asia sell-off trade, okay? Right here, you would have got short, and down it went. And we have, of course, we got to show a couple of these babies. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Let's look at one more. Higher closing candle, sell it, and down it goes. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It even did a third one. We'll do the third one too. Come on now. Right here. Boom. Higher close. Not much of a higher close, but it's still a higher close candle, which gives professional traders, institutions, banks, a better price opportunity to sell it. Okay? And we did one more. Let me show you just one more. Right there. Boom. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. That's it. And there's divergence down here, but I wouldn't take the trade now. It's not developed yet. We need the 5 above the 7 in order to enter the trade to go back up. If it's going back up, don't know. Nobody knows. Pound yen. Oh, look at the pound yen. 15-minute. There's divergence, but it's not good. It's not good. But we did have, where is that? From there to there? Yeah, from here. We had hidden divergence to the downside, and let me show that to you. Right here. Okay. Entry point would have been right there, and it went down. You can see the hidden divergence. That's the hidden divergence. I call it hard to see divergence. That's how I list it in my course. I wouldn't call it a course. I'd just call it a system myself. But anyway, if there's any new people here, I just want you to know that I've been trading divergence since 2011. I've been searching for it since 2007. Took me a couple years to find it. But anyway, then I finally got it explained to me how you get into these trades and you see them well in advance before they set up. That's the important thing. You got to have a system, but it's got to be where you get there and you kind of know where it's going. Not always for sure, but where it's going before it happens. Okay? That's how you get into the trade and do that. Okay, so let's look at the euro yen now. Yeah, it's got the divergence here too, but it's the wrong time of day to trade, but maybe not. Maybe it'll go back up today. Who knows? And then we have crude oil. What did crude oil do? Oh, look at that motherfucker. That's on the 30-minute. No, oh God, look at that. How far did that go up? 90 fucking points. 90 ticks on gold, on oil. There is divergence here, but I don't know where the fuck. Well, I guess I do know, but how fast was this going when it ripped up here like that? But here's the divergence right here. Okay. And, yeah, right here. Boom, boom. So say we got in just above these wicks here. Okay. Then we could have made something. But if it ripped up really quick, I don't know. I guess the only way to find out, go to a 5 minute. Oh, there was time. There was time. There was time to get in the trade. 5, 10, 15. Yeah, you had time. You had like 10 minutes right here. These two candles right here. On the 5 minute, if we put it on the 15 minutes, a big Horkin candle. Okay. There it is. There's the trade right there. You would have been okay to get in there. That is oil. Okay. And let's look at gold. What did gold give us today? Double bottom. You guys seen me do this before, my regulars. You've seen me not the initial spike down, but the candle beside it. And there it stopped with the wicks. Look at 4 wicks right there. Boom, 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 boom. Out go the lights. Right here. So right here. There's the divergence. And there's the arrow. So you would have been a buyer in here and went up 79 points. You see, the 5 had to be above the 7 in order to be a buyer. Because you can only buy when the 5's above the 7, not below. Just like right over here, you can only sell when the 5 is below the 7. So we had a higher close right here. Let me show you. Higher closing candle right there. Sell it, and down it goes. Beautiful trade. How much did that one go down? Oh, yeah, 110 ticks. And then we had another one. Yeah, we did. Right here, higher close. Sell it, and down it goes. How much did you make on? What was the potential on this one? 70 points. It's quite amazing, too, these pullback trades here that I showed you. The higher close candle, sell it. Higher close candle, sell it. Very little drawdown happens. This one had 0 drawdown right here. You would have sold it as soon as that candle closed, or this one opened, boom, it went down. No freaking drawdown. Right here. Same thing. It just did the drawdown before it closed right here. See this wick here? Okay. Sell it right there. Boom. Down it goes. Gotta love that. So anyway, that's it for the markets that move. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's look at Bitcoin now. Oh, Bitcoin's going back up. Give them the golf clap. And what about XRP? Oh, XRP came back up that pin. That pin bar. Yes. Okay, so that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you for coming out, watching, listening. And if you could be so kind, if you'd like to, tap the like button. If you don't want to, hey, it's all good. I won't be offended if you don't, like the video. It's all good. But please come back tomorrow and watch again, and I'll teach you some more stuff. Or share some more stuff with you, however you take it. There's a lot of traders, they don't want to be shown anything. They don't, they're just stubborn because these other, I don't know who, but these other people, traders, whatever, drilled it in their head that, oh, you got to find out how to trade yourself. You can't listen to no gurus. Well, I don't classify myself as a guru, but I've been trading a fucking long time. Almost a quarter of a century. 24 years. I have really good trades here. Setups. There's like 5 of them I just explained to you. It's up to you if you want to learn them. All that I know is they fucking work. That's all I know. Anyway, so have yourself a great day. Good luck and good trading.